Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Spine X tutorial how to mirror image. To mirror image in Ibis Spine, you can use the flip tools. For example, I will open the image. You can click these icons to insert the image. Click open, click OK, and then I will click cancel. Now if you want to mirror this image, you can use the flip tools. Go to layer again, and then click on the image layer. You can mirror in vertical by using this flip icon like this, or you can mirror in vertical with this flip icon. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Spine X tutorial, how to mirror image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.